Yes, yes, sister, please go ahead. Sister
Right,
Simon,
okay. Right, okay. So you want me to go through the Gardans again, all 14?
no, 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 you have done now. Means the
Okay.
point of discussion was understood?
Yes, I understood that. And the reason why I
Okay.
only said the others because I said from the start, am
Um,
I confirming the Hadir Ma'lum? And you said yes. That's why I only said those sigas.
mhm.
So, but with regards to 14, then I
Yes, yes.
understand.
Yes, Brother Ayman, repeat the Gardan. I hope you understood as well.
जी जी
Yes, go ahead.
لا يضرب
You can use
لا
la
يضرب
yansur. La yansur.
actually I also learned from this, so it's easier on my
Okay, okay.
as
You
well.
are also
Okay.
interested in Zarb.
जी
Okay,
जी जी
okay.
so لا يضرب لا يضربا لا يضربوا لا تضرب لا تضربا لا يضربنا لا تضرب لا تضربا لا تضربوا لا تضربي لا تضربا لا تضربنا لا أضرب لا نضرب.
MashaAllah, very good, very good. Okay, Sister Saima. Uh, now, Majhul. I want you to go for Majhul as well. Fail nahi Majhul.
Okay, so that would be لا يضرب لا يضربا لا يضربوا لا تضرب لا تضربا لا يضربنا لا تضرب لا تضربا لا تضربوا لا تضربي لا تضربا لا تضربنا لا أضرب لا نضرب.
MashaAllah, very good. Okay, Brother Ayman. Go ahead, hurry up.
لا يضرب لا يضربا لا يضربوا لا تضرب لا تضربا لا يضربنا لا تضرب لا تضربا لا تضربوا لا تضربي لا تضربا لا تضربنا لا أضرب لا نضرب.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Sister, with Nun Taki Sakila, can you do that? Or should we also postpone it?
For all 14, sir.
Yes, exactly.
Right, okay. لا يضرب لا يضربن لا يضربان.
لا يضربن means
sorry.
تكوين Nun Taki
معلوم.
Sakila Ma'lum. Yes.
Okay. لا يضربن لا يضربان لا يضربن لا تضربن لا تضربان لا
لا تضربن لا تضربن
لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربان لا يضربنان لا تضربن لا تضربان لا تضربن لا تضرب لا تضرب لا تضربن لا تضربان لا تضربنان لا أضربن لا نضربن لا أنا سوري لا أضرب لا أضربن لا نضربن.
Okay, very good. Brother Eman. So we are doing ba noon takid sakila, that is la, not lam takid, but only noon takid sakila. Sorry if I was mistaken. Yes, brother.
جي لا يضربن لا يضربان لا يضربن لا تضربن لا تضربان لا يضرب لا يضربنان لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربان لا تضربنان لا أضربن لا نضربن.
MashaAllah, wisdom has been flowing, brother. Okay, sister. Now I won't go other details, but ba noon khafifa fail with means nahi ba noon khafifa. How many sigas will you take for this?
So that would be 1, 2, 3, 8. Is it 8, sir?
8 sigas. Very good. Please.
Okay. So that would be لا ينصرن لا ينصرون لا تنس
Again.
لا ينصرون.
لا
So لا
تنسوا.
ينصر لا
Actually, you said لا تنصرنا. لا
Are we doing so we're doing هذا.
No, yes, حاضر حاضر.
Okay, because I
قانون
said
خفيف حاضر.
all 8. Okay, خفيفة
Actually, sister,
حاضر. Okay, that's I was
think
starting from the غائب.
no. I think you've also been, what should I say, influenced by the wisdom that is coming from Tanzania. So take it easy.
Alhamdulillah. That is an honor.
Bismillah.
Right, okay, so I'm only doing the hadir, sir. Is
Yes,
that correct?
hazir.
Okay, so لا تنصرن
Hmm.
لا تنصرن
Hmm.
لا تنصرن
Hmm. لا ينصرن لا ينصرن لا تنصرن لا تنصرن. How are you making? Okay, go with ضرب يضرب. لا يضربن لا يضربن.
لا يضربن لا يضربن لا يضرب بن لا يضربن.
Then لا تضربن. Then لا تضربن.
So I'm confused because you told me to say the hadir, but then you're saying extra, which is
No, sister, ba noon khafifa. I repeat. First
yes.
of all, you went for lai nahi ba noon takid thakila, right? And you went for 14 sigas. The second stage, I asked you the question to make the gardan of lai nahi with ba noon khafifa, takid khafifa. Now, when we talk about banun means takid khafifa, the noon khafifa comes into only 8 sigas. Wahid muzakkar ghaib, jama muzakkar ghaib, wahid muannas ghaib, wahid muzakkar hazir, jama muzakkar hadir, wahid muannas hazir, then wahid mutakallim and jama mutakallim. Do you remember this?
Yes, I understand that, sir.
Yes. So now the complete gardan, but having only 8 sigas with banun khafifa. Bismillah.
Yes. So, right, so I'm starting from the ghaib, and then I'll go to the hadir, and then I'll go to the mutakallim. So this is what I'm doing now, sir.
Yes.
So لا ينصرن
Okay.
لا
لا يزربن.
لا يضربن لا يضربن لا يضربن
لا تزربن.
بين لا يضرب لا يضرب لا تضربن.
First of all, واحد مذكر غائب, then جمع مذكر غائب, then واحد مؤنث غائب, then واحد مذكر حاضر, then جمع مذكر حاضر, then واحد مؤنث حاضر.
Okay, لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا أضرب لا أضربن sorry لا أضربن لا نضربن.
Okay, brother Ayman, go ahead with 8 sigas. Let's see. I will go to Sister Saima again. No issues. Recompose yourself. Yes.
So لا يضربن لا يضربن لا تضربن لا أضربن
Again,
لا
la tazriban.
نضربن.
La tazriban would
Okay.
be twice because wahid muannas ghaib and wahid muzakkar hazir. And jama muzakkar ghaib hazir and wahid muannas hazir. Okay, let me tell
So
again. Means I will tell you first,
जी
then you'll go for that. Listen to me.
जी
La yazriban, la yazribun, la tazriban, la tazriban, la tazribun, la tazribin, la azriban, la nazriban. Now do you understand? Aman?
Sorry, Ustad, can you repeat one more time?
Yes. La yazriban, la yazribun means wahid muzakkar ghaib and jam muzakkar ghaib. Then wahid muannas ghaib, la tazriban. Then wahid muzakkar hazir, la tazriban. Then jama muzakkar hazir, la tazribun. Then wahid muannas hazir, la tazribin. Then wahid mutakallim, la adriban. Then jama mutakallim, la nazriban. Is that clear now?
जी 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 जी
Bismillah.
لا يضربن لا يضربون then لا تضربن لا تضربون لا
No, then
تضربن
again la tazriban. La tazriban twice.
لا تضربن. Okay, so لا يضربن لا يضربون لا تضربن and then لا تضربون, right?
La tazriban wahid muannas ghaib and then la tazriban wahid
غائب
muzakkar
जी जी
hazir. Both are same sigas. That will be
अच्छा
repetition.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा
Go
अच्छा
again.
so لا يضربن لا يضربون لا تضربن لا تضربن, right?
Yes.
لا يضربن لا يضربن لا يضربون تضربن, then لا تضربن again.
Yeah, go ahead.
Then لا تضربن, لا
Yes.
أضربن, لا
No,
نضربن.
no. Then واحد لا تضربن جمع مذكر غائب. Then واحد مؤنث حاضر لا تضربن. Then متكلم صيغة.
جي. Yes.
Again, repeat, my brother. Repeat.
لا يضربن, لا يضربن, لا تضربن, then again لا تضربن. Right?
Yes.
Then لا تضربن.
Then
لا
لا تضرب.
تضربن.
Yes.
جي. Then لا أضربن, لا نضربن.
MashaAllah. Yes. Now do you understand?
جي.
Yes, sister, please.
Right, okay, so لا يضربن, لا يضربن, لا تضربن, لا تضربن, لا تضربن, لا تضربن, لا أضربن, لا نضربن.
MashaAllah. This is the wisdom that comes all the way from KPK. That was I wishing for.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Okay. Nahi majhul banun khafifa. Yes, brother Ayman. Start up.
So لا يضربن. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Hello?
Yes, correct. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, I understand. Correct.
جي. So لا يضربن, لا يضربن. Right? لا يضربن, لا يضربن, لا تضربن, لا تضربن, لا تضربين.
No, لا تضربن.
And لا تضربن.
Then لا تضربن.
And then لا أضربن, لا نضربن.
Sister Saima, go ahead. He missed one siga, but no issues. Yes.
Right, okay, so مجهول, so that's لا يضربن, لا يضربن, لا تضربن, لا تضرب, لا تضربن, لا تضرب, لا تضربن, لا تضربن, لا تضربن, لا أضربن, لا نضربن.
Yes. So 8 sigas again. I repeat them. Two siga from Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib and Jama Mudhakkar Ghaib. Then Wahid Muannas Ghaib. Then Wahid Mudhakkar Hazir. Then Jama Mudhakkar Hazir. Then Wahid Muannas Hazir. Then Wahid Mutakallim and Jama Mutakallim. How? لا يضربن لا يضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا تضربن لا أضربن لا أضربن لا نضربن. Is that clear now? Both of you?
Yes, sir, that's clear.
MashaAllah, great. So you have been doing amazing work. I pray for you. Okay, sister. How do we make present simple tense, or how we change present simple tense into present perfect tense?
Present simple tense to present perfect.
Yes, if I say zaraba, zaraba, zarabu, that is present simple. Oh, past simple tense, not present. Zaraba, the question is how to make present perfect from past simple tense. If I made a mistake in asking question, I repeat. My question is this: how to make present perfect tense from past simple tense?
From past. Okay.
Past simple is what? Zaraba, zaraba, zarabu, zarabat, zarabu.
ماضي فعل ماضي. Yes.
So how to form present perfect now? Mazi qareeb.
Okay, ماضي قريب. Okay, now I understand. So you prefix قد to it.
Yes. Give us gardan and also the meaning as well of 2 or 3 sigas.
The gardan of what, sorry? Of
Gardan with qad.
okay, with okay. With the Madi, sir.
Yes, means Madi Qarib. You are making Madi Qarib, so you will add or prefix what? Qad. So what will be the Gardan and the meaning of only two sigas?
Right, okay, so am I saying all the 14 sigas, sir, with qad?
No, only three sigas and with meaning.
Right, okay, so say قد دخل في الفصل قد دخل the قد would remain the same even if it's for plural and jama.
No. When we talk about Gardan, that will be قد دخل قد دخل قد دخلوا.
Okay,
we are not
that's
making
fine.
sentences right now.
Okay, قد دخل قد دخل لا قد دخلوا
Okay,
قد
meaning. Just go for meaning.
Okay, meaning is that he has entered. He has entered. Two people have entered, and more than three have entered. Many men have entered.
Okay, we can say one man has entered, two men have entered, and three or more men have entered. Yes, brother Ayman. Three sigas for muzakkar hadir and meaning with any verb.
مذكر حاضر with any so مذكر حاضر
Okay, قد فتحت, like قد فتحت.
Okay, so yeah, I was thinking of that. قد دخلت قد دخلتا قد دخلت قد دخلتما قد دخلتم. Yeah, I'm getting that.
قد دخلتما قد دخلتم.
قد دخلتم.
Yes, the wisdom has vanished away.
قد دخلت قد دخلتما قد دخلتن. That's for
yes, in Tanzania's national park, national safari. Have you gone to that? Yes, okay. So what is the meaning?
Okay, so قد دخلت, the meaning is you had entered.
You have entered.
دخلتما.
You have entered.
Had. H-A-D.
H-A?
D. You had.
That would be past perfect. We are talking about present perfect. Present perfect takes
so
have or has. Yes.
So you have entered.
Yes, you have entered. You one man have entered. Then
you two men have entered. قد دخلتما. And قد دخلتم, you all men have entered.
Yes.
You many
remember
men
the meaning. It's very important to remember the meaning.
Have.
Okay.